So in this video, I thought we would do an exhaust modification on the old Chinese four-wheeler. All right, so just put some air in the tire right there. Now let's go take it down the road and just give it a little baseline real quick. The tachometer wasn't working, but if I had to guess, it would be about 6,500 RPMs or so. And you can hear the straight pipe does make a lot of popping noises. So what I'm gonna do now is remove the rear half of the exhaust, which is a 1-inch pipe, and we're gonna put on a 2-inch pipe to give it a deeper tone. I can't wait to see what it sounds like, so let's get to it. So there, we finally got it done, fully welded in place, as you can see. That didn't thread in, it just kind of halfway pushed in, so that's why I fully welded it, but I think this pipe's gonna sound a lot better than that pipe right there. But anyway, you can see my other side right there. Looks like a proper ATV muffler mount or whatever. So yeah, see the inside of it. And I'm also gonna get all this crap cleaned up. Bam, all clean. All right, so that'll be all for this video. Again, nothing too much, just a different exhaust on the Chinese four-wheeler. I just mainly wanted to see what it would sound like because I've always been really curious because I've done the same thing to the off-road lawnmower and the racing lawnmower. And the motorized bike is kind of like that too when you remove the bottom piece. And all in all, it sounds really nice. It looks a lot, the end of it just looks a lot better in my opinion. Only downside is I won't be able to screw the muffler in or anything like that, but I mean, I rarely ever screw the muffler in it anyway. The part that is right there, for those of you wondering, is a broken part from the old Briggs & Stratton muffler that we had, and that one in there also does have a centerpiece knocked out of it. I got 3 of these mufflers here. This one's just bone stock, has a baffle in it, as you can see right there. This one that I just showed you has a baffle piece knocked out of it. And this one was a remake of one that was on the racing mower at the time, but it also has a baffle in it with a tiny hole drilled in it. I haven't really seen an exhaust setup like this on a 212. Yes, I've seen a straight pipe, but I haven't seen a straight pipe, like a 1-inch pipe going into like a 2-inch pipe, which this is a 2-inch pipe, by the way. It makes it sound a lot deeper tone. It kind of gives it more of a thump, thump, thump sound than a pop, pop, pop sound. But yeah, I really like it. So I hope you liked this short little video. If you did, click all the buttons that YouTubers tell you to click. If you didn't like this video, click on thumbs down twice, because 2's better than 1. 3 more doesn't work. That doesn't count for likes, as we all know. And yeah, y'all should see me in the next one.